Igbo business seal again in Ladipo. We are bringing you this information for you to know wetin dey go on for Lagos, so no be small thing. They say that the Simon Ekpa wey be the PM of Biafra Republic government in exile, he don call out him followers say make dem no dey reply to anybody wey do video bad or whether he talk bad about am. He say make dem no dey reply again or respond, or anybody wey respond him go ban am from IPOB government in exile. No be small thing o. Hello my wonderful people, mo go find out how this thing take happen o. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas G-Safe. Today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. Ebene Ukweziokwu. Here we are bringing you updates back to back as it dey hot everywhere. No be small thing o. Let's jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. They say that Aladipo wey be the where Igbo people dey trend, they do business for Lagos. He say they don still come put a rope seal am, and they say they go pay a huge amount of money. We go play the video, may you watch before we come back and proceed.
Okay, make equal sense. Or because of Christmas one in the look and the Lagos State this thing as well as I should go like this. Yeah, for my own side of wickedness, because we lock everywhere, about 200 million, 100 million, it could be like happen for no reason because of that Christmas. Makala on the government has a from A to Z. I didn't believe, so I have to confirm it by myself. I'm happy and maybe able truly and that lock everywhere. How should you crack the 430 when I go? As in, but here is not good. You see, almost I in Lagos State, I see this. No, here go. All wickedness. And in the boy is so course, yeah.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, no be smart, you know. We'll get so many markets for Igbo land where you people go do business, and it go attract other people. May they come your side, come buy things. All this thing done too much. Well, Lagos they do to Igbo people, but at the wait when the leaders go come aside, speaking boldly and condemning this thing and telling them to stop immediately, or they will start their own as well. But nothing is going on. It keep on going, become a business of the day. However, when we jump into the next matter where we get for a hand, they say that the Simon Ekpa will be the PM of Biafra Republic government in exile. Don't call out in followers. Say may they know they reply to anyone, even the person talk bad about them. Say if they do so, they are going to. It's going to block them. It's going to ban them from Biafra government in exile. So let's play the video for you to watch.
Stopped by the declaration of Biafra. That is the reason we must fight ruthlessly against whatever government they are installing in Imo State until the liberation of Biafra, until we declare Biafra. And let me tell you, like you all know, we will soon embark on the exercise of data collection. It's very important. I keep hammering on this so that we will collect as many data as possible of Biafrans for the self-referendum. We are going to conduct self-referendum by ourselves. And then after that, we declare Biafra. Those of you who only thing you know is to foment trouble and bring distraction into what we're doing, we're not going to have your time. And for that reason, from tonight, every Biafra Republic government in exile affiliated media personnel and media team, henceforth, you are banned from talking about anybody in Biafra struggle. Anybody. You are prohibited from discussing anybody that is not Nigeria government and the affiliate. If anybody has been in this struggle, stop talking about them. If anybody has fallout, stop talking about them until it is necessary. From tonight, I do not want to see anybody in the media team discussing one nonsense person or the other who doesn't make any sense, who doesn't command anything, who is not relevant, who is inconsequential. Whether the person talk bad about me, don't give that person voice. This particular order is to everybody that is affiliated to the Biafra Republic government in exile. From Adado Rama down to Ajare, down to Caroline, anybody that is affiliated to this government, you are from tonight prohibited from talking and discussing anybody that has fallen out of this struggle until when it is necessary. I will give you that green light. For now, we must focus on Nigeria government, on Hope Uzodinma, on the awareness to make sure that the necessary resources is raised. Necessary fund is raised. You have to continue to expose and create awareness on the activities of the Biafra Republic government in exile, activities of the Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra resistance fighters, activities of our Marine, activities of our naval forces, activities of whatever the Biafra de facto government is doing. This is what I want every media team, every media personnel to be doing from tonight. Believe me, if you disobey this particular instruction and directive, you are out. You know I don't waste time. You are out. We don't need any distraction going forward. We are now entering the real deal, the real business of the liberation of Biafra. I don't want any distraction. I don't want to come on social media and I open your pages, your platform, and all I'm hearing is this one is that, this one is this. This is not what we are doing now. We are now entering a very dangerous phase of this struggle that you must continue. If they attack me, allow them. Don't respond until I ask you to do. Call my attention on those attacking me. I will tell you when to respond and when not. For now, there is nothing they are going to say about me they have not said before. There is no attack that is going to come to me today that I have not seen in the past. So from tonight, focus on creating the awareness, bringing what Biafra Liberation Army are doing to the public. This is our task from tonight. The activities of the Biafra Liberation Army, hunt for it, look for it, put them on social media, and let the world see. I'm going to give a room to the host. We have the media personnel. We have the Deputy Minister of Communication, Arafat Jare. Then we'll have the member of the media department, Ugo 247. Both of you are co-hosts to this particular space. So I will give you opportunity to bring in people to ask questions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, PM. Thank you so much. And your order is obeyed without any complaints, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And tonight, every one of us are welcome, and our PM is here to do justice to this particular subject of the night. Support Biafra instead of going to court. It is a waste of time.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, no be smart, you know. Now so we'll say I'm now say must still bring and come share una. Now don't hear the message where Simon Ekpa send for here. He say make you go start your own channel. Oh, they talk something where Biafra Liberation Army they do. Say na task where don't give for na more na try go they do am. So you where they go they attack people, they write nonsense for their page. Now it don't give you go ahead to start up your own channel. So go and start doing your own broadcast as well. Move on the comment and like the share for you. Very, very important. Okay, my people, please, this na message wey you send, and your work na to share them so that other people will see the video and also do wetin in talk. No be small thing. I will quickly see you for the next update. And if you know say you never give this channel a follow, may you try give the channel a follow. If you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, please go and subscribe immediately, and also share this video. Very, very important. We will quickly see you for the next update as it is hot.